So it is the end of the day now, and we are going to put shocks on this charger really quick, because the ass end's swaying around on it when you give it gas. You give it gas, the ass end moves around, and it feels like you're drifting the car. And I was reading online about it, and they say that the subframe in the back becomes loose, or the toe links in the back are loose. That's what a lot of people have issues on, but this one, everything is tight. There's nothing loose in the back, but the shocks are blown out on the car. So we pulled the bolts yesterday on it, and I could literally push the shocks up by hand. Obviously, they're bad, but I don't know if that's going to cause the back end to move around like it's doing. Because you literally give it gas, and you let go of the gas, and the back end just snaps back. So it's like it's walking down the road sideways. It's very weird. And hopefully this fix it. We really don't know on this one. So yesterday, you guys, I was telling you guys about this charger where the back end's moving all around. When you give it gas and then you let off the gas, it feels like you're drifting the car. And on the lift, nothing is loose on the car. And my guess is because the weight of the suspension is coming down on all the joints. So we checked everything underneath this car, and everything is tight. But then we found out the shocks were bad on the car, so we were thinking that the shocks were bad on the car. In reality, it's not the shocks, even though they are bad. But I'm going to show you guys what the problem is in these chargers. So, in order to find this issue, like I said, we were going to replace the shocks. We had them here, everything, and I went to go do the job outside because the shop is full right now of vehicles and bigger jobs. But this one has to leave because it's been here for a while, and we replaced the ABS module because it had an ECM failure, and we thought that might have been causing it, but it's not the ABS module. It's actually the lateral links, or the toe adjustments, or the rear control arm, whatever you want to call it. It is completely bad on both sides, causing the back end to move around. So I'll show you guys how we found this issue. So like I said before, you couldn't find it on the lift. So I'm gonna show you guys. Watch the tire. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch it on camera. But I'm literally sitting here lifting up the car late last night, and then the whole tire ended up popping. And it kind of blew my mind because, like I said, we've been all over this car. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it on camera. It's moving. But you look right back there. Let's see. I don't know how I'm going to get this on camera. Anyways, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys on the camera because it takes two hands to do it. But literally, this link right here is bad on both sides. This one is really bad. So we got those on order. So if you own a charger and it is doing that, then it is probably the lateral link, which is all over the internet. But like I said, we checked it and we didn't see anything wrong with it. But now, like I said, when you lift the car up, on a lift, you can't find the issue. But if you use a jack stand or a jack, you can find the issue because you're only jacking up one side of the car versus the whole thing. Kind of bad I can't show you guys, but anyways, here's what it is.